Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making this protein packed delicious dosa which are not only easy but also quick to make. This dosa does not require fermentation like other traditional dosas, so making this is a breeze. This dosa requires only two major ingredients, that is Urad Dal or black gram lentils and Moong Dal. To get started with, add 1 cup of Urad Dal to a large bowl along with a cup of Moong Dal. Keep the proportion equal and add water and rinse them well at least a couple of times and drain the water completely. Pour fresh water and soak it for 3 to 4 hours, and if possible try soaking it overnight. You can also soak it with lukewarm water to reduce the soaking time. Once it is done soaking, drain the water and add them to a blender or a wet grinder. I prefer using a wet grinder here because it gives the batter a fluffy and airy texture. It is a little difficult to get this airy fluffy texture in a batter if using a mixer. While the batter is getting ready, add an inch of peeled ginger paste to it along with 1 or 2 green chilies. I'm adding a tablespoon of rock salt in it here in this step itself. You can also add table salt now or at later when the batter is ready. But if using rock salt, I add it while the batter is getting ready so that the salt is mixed well into the batter in the grinding process itself. Keep scraping the sides well and allow it to blend well in the mixer grinder. Keep adding water into batches until you get this fluffy texture. Note that you do not add too much of water in the beginning itself, as the urad and the moong dal will not grind well if the mixture is too runny. This is how beautiful the batter looks when using a wet grinder. Light, fluffy and airy. This is the consistency we are looking for. This grinding process will take 20 to 30 minutes for the batter to be ready completely. But if using a mixer, the batter will be ready in few minutes but the texture would be quite flat. But remember, if using a mixer, the consistency has to be similar to that of a dosa batter. The advantage of using wet grinder are always a good choice because they produce the batter with a consistent quality and texture, which is important for the dosa batter. Wet grinders operate more slowly, which reduces heat and help retain the nutritional value of grains and lentils. Now, once the batter is ready, take a kadai and add 1 teaspoon of oil and fry few peeled ginger pieces along with 4 to 5 green chilies. You can add more green chilies according to your spice level. Fry them well for a couple of minutes. Until then, in a mixer, add 2 cups of grated coconut, along with a teaspoon size of tamarind and some salt to taste. Add the fried ginger and green chilies to it with a little bit of water to grind it into a smooth paste. Now for the tempering, add some ghee in the same kadai with a little bit of mustard seeds and urad dal and allow it to splutter. To this add few curry leaves, fry it well and pour it over the ginger chutney. Now start making the dosa using a cast iron pan or a non-stick pan. Stir the batter well and pour a ladle full of batter in the center of the pan and spread it around with the base of the ladle. It is important for the pan to be medium hot and not to be very hot unless you won't be able to spread the batter. Drizzle ample amount of oil and ghee around the dosa and let it fry on a medium to high flame until golden and crisp. Flip the dosa on the other side, toast for a minute or two. Now serve this crispy dosa with a ginger chutney and enjoy this authentic flavor. Serving them with ginger chutney elevates the taste to a next level. Try this recipe and comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.